He was born on 7th May in Jorasanko, Thakurbadi, Calcutta, the son of Devendranath Tagore and Sharada Devi. Tagore is best known for writing the national anthem of India. His writing was not just about India but also about universal themes like love, nature, and freedom. Tagore was also passionate about education and worked hard to improve schools in India. He believed that education must be creative and help students to think for themselves. His work is full of wisdom and deep emotions. Tagore's influence on Indian culture was enormous, and his work continues to inspire people today. Tagore opposed the British rule and protested against the Indian national movement. He protested against the partition of Bengal on communal lines. His birthday, May 7, is celebrated as Ravindra Jayanti to honor his contributions to art and literature. One popular slogan associated with Ravindra Jayanti is "Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free." This quote is taken from his famous book Gitanjali. It highlights his vision of the society where people are free from fear and have access to knowledge, which is a core theme of the celebration. Thank you.
From words to melody, I invite our school choir to grace us with a song.
আজ হোক না আরাম সকল রসের ধারা আজ হোক না আরাম সকল রসের ধারা।
teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Ala Fazal of Standard 9A, and today I am here to recite a poem, Lamp of Love by Rabindranath Tagore. Light, oh where is the light? Kindle it with the burning fire of desire. There is the lamp, but never a flicker of a flame. Is such thy fate, my heart? Death were better by far for thee. Mystery knocks at thy door, and her message is that thy Lord is faithful, and he calls thee to the love tries through the darkness of night. The sky is overcast with clouds, and the rain is ceaseless. I know not what this is that stirs in me. I know not its meaning. A moment's flash of lightning drags down, a deeper gloom on my side, and my heart gropes for the path to where the music of the night calls me. Light, oh where is the light? Kindle it with the burning fire of desire. It thunders, and the wind rushes screaming through the void. The night is black as a black stone. Let not the hours pass by in the dark. Kindle the lamp of love with thy light. Thank you.
চিত্তে নীতি নৃত্যে কে যে নাচে তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই মম চিত্তে নীতি নৃত্যে কে যে নাচে তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তারি সঙ্গে কি মৃদঙ্গে সদা বাজে তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তারি সঙ্গে কি মৃদঙ্গে সদা বাজে তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই মম চিত্তে নীতি নৃত্যে কে যে নাচে তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই হাসি কান্না হীরা পান্না দোলে ভালে কাঁপে ছন্দে ভালো মন্দ তালে তালে হাসি কান্না হীরা পান্না দোলে ভালে কাঁপে ছন্দে ভালো মন্দ তালে তালে নাচে জন্ম নাচে মৃত্যু পাছে পাছে তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই নাচে জন্ম নাচে মৃত্যু পাছে পাছে তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই তাতা থই থই কি আনন্দ কি আনন্দ কি আনন্দ দিবারাত্রি নাচে মুক্তি নাচে বন্ধ
Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends, I am Nandini Bhardwaj of Standard 10B. Today, I am going to recite a poem on endless time by Rabindranath Tagore. Time is endless in thy hands, my Lord. There is none to count thy minutes. Days and nights pass, and ages flew, and fade like flowers. Thou knowest how to wait. Thy centuries follow each other, perfecting a small white flower. We have no time to lose, and having no time, we must scramble for a chance. we are too poor to believe, and thus it is that time goes by while I give it to every curious man who claims it, and thus thine altar is empty of all offerings to the last. At the end of the day, I hasten in fear, lest thy gate be shut. But I find that, yet there is time. Thank you.